Today, I would like to share about our DesignO solution. And this is specifically regarding the updates that we have introduced with DesignO for the Shopify users. So first of all, let us understand what is DesignO. DesignO has been specifically introduced by Design for the print service providers who already have their websites built on different platforms. And what they need is just a designing functionality to make their site plus DesignO integration a complete web-to-print solution. So now let's quickly dive in and see what are the new updates we have introduced for DesignO Shopify users. I'll go ahead and share my screen so we can see the features. So here is where we have specifically also released the news about the new updates. So the first update that we have came up with is the file upload and ordering functionality. The second one is about the form-based editing. And third is for browse template. So we see that all of these three functionalities are specifically for the product ordering page. So this is very helpful for the end users, depending upon how they want to order their personalized products from the users, the print service providers, Shopify website. So over here, what we see is a product page. Now, if a user have a ready to upload an order file, they can just click on upload files. They will be able to upload the print ready files over here. And then once the files are loaded, they can simply go for a next step. So at this step is where they will be able to have a quick preview of the file that they have uploaded. The image that you see in the background is all manageable by the print service providers in the backend, and you can have any of those images uploaded depending upon your requirement. Here we see the capability of quick edit, which we also call as form-based editor. And this editor has been specifically designed for the print service providers who are serving corporate customers as their end customers. So with this editor, the end users cannot make any changes or move the text from the designer and from one place to other place. What they can do is they can quickly edit their information. Maybe they want to add their name. They can just add it and then they can see it reflected right into the designer, but they cannot change the entire design. It works as a form and more used for serving the B2B private customers. The third functionality is about browse designs. So now the users who are more B2C or public facing users, they always like to use the ready-to-use templates. So all of those ready-to-use templates can be shown over here, right on your Shopify online store. And once they click on browse design, those designs can be previewed. And then the users can simply click on personalize. It will open up in an advanced designer immediately. And here is where the users can personalize the whole design. They can move the text in this designer from one place to other place because this is a completely advanced designer. And we have a lot of other functionalities like adding clip arts, adding photos, and more options. So these are the three major functionalities, and we see that this is all user-centric. So depending upon how users want to order, whether it is with file upload, quick edit, or an advanced designer, they have all the flexibilities with the DesignO integration. I hope all of you have liked this overview, and we look forward to connect. And on the next video, we would like to show you more information. Thank you and have a great day.